Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best Bellroy Classic Backpack Plus in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 5. Icon Backpack, Navy Blue. Spacious organized storage. Features 3 large dedicated compartments for your MacBook, iPad, and iPhone, along with purposeful pockets for organizing extra accessories and other essentials. The internal laptop compartment stores up to a 16-inch MacBook. Comfortable, customized design. In-case engineered airflow channels in the compression molded back panel and padded shoulder straps with multiple adjustment points. Additionally, the integrated sternum strap helps to disperse the weight carried in the backpack for added comfort. Lap tilt peak protection. The dedicated laptop compartment is fully padded and fox fur lined for optimal MacBook protection. Long-lasting durability. Constructed with heavy-duty, durable 840D ballistic nylon that holds up to everyday wear and tear. Number 4. The North Face Borealis Commuter Laptop Backpack, TNF Black/TNF Black, one size. Borealis Classic. Our much-loved Borealis backpack has been upgraded with features that help you easily organize your things, and our FlexVent suspension system, certified by the American Chiropractic Association. FlexVent technology. The FlexVent suspension system features articulated shoulder straps, a rounded back panel, stitch lines, and soft chemise fabric for comfortable all-day shoulder and back support. Total organization. 2 external water bottle pockets double as multi-use pockets. The front compartment has an extra padded tablet sleeve and zip pockets. An external fleece-lined pocket stores small items or electronics. Number 3. JanSport Laptop Backpack, Black. High-quality computer bag with 2 compartments, ergonomic shoulder straps, 15 laptop sleeve, haul handle, book rucksack. Go big or go home. Always have room for your essentials with the JanSport backpack with a laptop compartment. Available in over 35 colors, prints, and patterns, this is the perfect backpack for everyone. Pack it all in. This exclusive college book bag is designed to carry everything you need and more. Our laptop backpack for women and men has an extra large carrying capacity, 2 large main compartments, and a dedicated 15-inch padded laptop sleeve. High-quality construction. Constructed to support all your essentials all year long, this men and women's laptop backpack is made with extremely durable recycled materials. Plus, our laptop book bag has a sturdy web haul handle. All-day comfort. Designed for comfort, these laptop backpacks make it easy to carry your computer and books. Each backpack for college has ergonomic S-curve shoulder straps and a fully padded back panel for lasting comfort. Number 2. Peak Design Travel Line Backpack 45 liters, Sage, Expandable 30 to 45 liters. Modular bag system by Peak Design. Customize the internal carry options to match your requirements. Meets international max carry-on standards in default 35 liters configuration. Dual expansion zips give 10 liters extra volume for 45 liters max storage. Dual side zippers for instant camera and item access. Full rear access via large dual zips. Quick tablet and laptop access using the main bag zip. Packing tools, camera cubes, tech pouch, and wash kit complement the travel line backpack and are available separately. Number 1. Osprey Talon 22 Men's Hiking Backpack, Eclipse Gray, Large/X Large. One of the most versatile technical pack series ever created, the Talon/Tempest is now sustainably designed with recycled high-tenacity nylon. A bio-stretch harness, continuous wrap hip bolt, and an injection-molded die-cut foam airscaper. Back panel move with you on the most technical terrain. The Talon/Tempest Pro is made with lightweight and durable nanofibers fabric, perfect for adventurous full-day pursuits requiring technical gear or light and fast missions. The Osprey Talon 22 is consistently one of our favorite day packs, and every year it seems to get better. This year we honored it as our favorite lightweight day pack in our Best Day Packs review. This pack has a very versatile design that's loaded with useful features. It has a dependable lightweight design that carries weight better than most smaller packs. Its suspension system is similar to those on larger packs, which makes it very comfortable for many different activities.